Hi, this is Kathy from RentViewer. Ever tried tracking dozens of property loans in Excel? One wrong sort and boom, instant headache. Different maturity dates, shifting interest rates, multiple lenders, spreadsheets turn into spaghetti fast. Today we ditched the chaos and launched our debt analysis dashboard. All your loan details, reimagined as clear interactive visuals. Filter by lender with one click. Spot looming maturities on a graphical timeline. Drill into loan balances in seconds. No formulas, no Control-F hunts. You can also view loan maturity dates and balances yearly, quarterly, or monthly. Less time cleaning spreadsheets means more time managing risk. Simple, fast, and built in Power BI, so your team sees the same truth anywhere. Ready to tame your loan data? Visit rentviewer.com/calendar and schedule a walkthrough. Bring your debt data, we'll bring the clarity.